Hi, my name is Kit Mills, and this is going to be single strokes in 2 measures of crescendo, 2 measures of diminuendo. We're going to start at 60 BPM and work up by 5 BPM all the way to 120, and we'll do it 3 times. So 12 bars each with a bar in between. We'll have a bar of count off as well. The key thing is you're doing these single strokes, and you're going to actually want to go back and do this both right-handed and left-handed. So whatever you start with, go through the whole thing as far as you can, then go back later and do it again with your opposite hand leading. You want to make sure that you're keeping the tips of your sticks rising together and going back down. I liken it to riding up and down an elevator together. So that's what you want to have them doing. And then keep your forearms level, so don't have one coming up and the other staying at a different height. And the key thing in the end is really listen carefully to your sound. See if you can get a steady crescendo and a smooth diminuendo as well. Here we go. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Second time. 2, 3, 4. Third time. 3. Or 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. Now it's going to switch to 65. 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes the third time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Next tempo, 70. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Here comes the third time. 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. New tempo, 75. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third time. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 80. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice too that I'm kind of experimenting with some different heights. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here's 85. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, breathe. 2, 2, 3, 4. Third time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here comes 90. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 95. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time. 2, 3, 4. Third time. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Here comes 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 105. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a little late on that one. Third. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 110. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here's 115. 2, 3, 115. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. That's right, it's third time. 2, 3, 4. 120. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Third. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that's a quick run through of that exercise. Really helpful to do. You may find you can't do all those tempos, and perhaps if you're pretty new to drumming, you can't even do 60 BPM to start with, and that's okay. Start at a tempo where it feels comfortable, and I'd recommend if you have a hard time matching the metronome, try to set it so that it's actually doing 4 clicks per beat instead of the 2 clicks per beat that we heard there. So you'll have a click for every single hit you do. So you could start at 40 or 35 or whatever's comfortable, and do that, and that will help you to line up your strokes. And then gradually, as you get more comfortable, you can increase it, reduce the number of clicks, and so on. So we did it from 60 to 120, and I would say 120 is a great kind of baseline for newer drummers, but once you get comfortable with that, just keep pressing on. I think 160 is where, if you can hit that leading with either hand, you're in pretty good shape. I mean, if you get all the way up to 200 or beyond, that's fantastic if you can do that under control. So I love these exercises for the nuance of changing stick speed in order to match what we're hearing based on how high we are. When we're closer to the pad, it's slower. When we're further away from the pad, higher up, we have to travel faster to get there in time. So really great control exercise. All right, so try it on your own. Linger as many times as you need to on each speed to improve just your control over this, and don't rush the process. All right, have fun.